In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily import Google Contacts to your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Settings. After that, scroll down until you find Contacts. Then tap Add Accounts and then select Add Account. On the next step, tap Add Google, and now we need to sign into our Google account using our email or phone number at that step and the password at the second one. Enter your email here, then hit next, then enter password. Maybe it will ask you to enter two-factor authentication code if it is enabled on your Gmail account, and once it is done, your Gmail account should appear right here at Accounts. I have here Gmail account already connected to my iPhone, and once you connected yours, you need to get into it and then make sure the switcher button next to Contacts turned on, just like in my case. Turn it on if it is disabled to automatically import all Google Contacts to your iPhone Contacts book. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.